If you've ever guessed your sublimation pricing and hoped the numbers made sense, this is going to help a lot. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to use the Sublimation Craft Calculator to figure out your real costs and profit in under a minute. First, open the calculator page. You'll see simple input fields. Don't overthink it. Just enter your actual numbers. Start with your blank cost. That's your shirt, mug, tumbler, or whatever you're pressing on. Next, enter your ink cost estimate. If you're not sure, you can use your average cost per print or calculate based on ink usage. Then add your sublimation paper cost per sheet. Now include your overhead costs. This can be electricity, wear and tear on your heat press, or even packaging. Even small costs matter. Once all numbers are entered, type in the price you plan to sell the item for. Now, here's the best part. The calculator instantly shows you your total production cost, your estimated profit per item, and your profit margin percentage. This helps you avoid underpricing, which is one of the biggest mistakes new sublimation sellers make. If your margin looks too low, you can adjust your selling price and instantly see how it affects your profit. No guessing, no spreadsheets, just clear numbers. That's it. Use this calculator before listing any product, especially if you're selling on Etsy, Shopify, or doing local bulk orders. It'll save you money and help you price confidently. Try it now and make sure every sublimation project is actually making you profit.